tracking this storm for us.
Kate, what's the latest?
Well, here you go. So we are going to be at a Category 4 into next week. We're at a Category 1 right now, but we're nowhere near done with the strength of this storm. Winds at 85 miles an hour for the time being, 105 are the gust speeds right now. But look at this. We quickly move into a Category 3 and then a Category 4 by Sunday morning. Now, the track at the moment, the cone is widened just a little bit here, has it landing over Florida. This is not a guarantee. I want you to know that. No way. Not yet. It's too early to tell. But if it does come over Florida, you'll see it loses a lot of strength, as they all do when they hit land. It loses a lot of power there, so it goes back to a Category 1, which is still devastating. But what I can tell you is it'll linger over the Florida Peninsula if that's the case. Okay, and many of you have asked me, could this be an issue for us in the Carolinas? Check this out. This is our spaghetti plot. As this comes over Florida, if that's what happens, you'll see Wednesday into Thursday, it kind of turns and comes up our way. So it could absolutely have an impact on us, but it would be storms producing heavy rainfall. So, of course, if it goes over to Florida with that hurricane impact, it would be much more serious for them down there. But everybody from the Carolina coast down to Miami, including Georgia, needs to have a hurricane plan in place, okay? Water temperatures are very warm, and I've said this all day. I'm just going to say it again, you know. They fuel hurricanes when they are this warm. Water temperatures that are this warm, no good for a storm out there. So this is what you need to know. It's forecast to be a Category 4 by Sunday morning. Life-threatening storm surge and winds over the Bahamas and Florida in the coming days as it strengthens. But moving back home here, you guys, we couldn't ask for a more perfect day of weather. It's beautiful. Look outside Greensboro, blue skies out there everywhere. And here's what we've got going for us. These areas of high pressure actually play into the storm. So areas of high pressure don't stay put forever. They just don't. They move out. But with the way the storm is moving and these areas of high pressure doing what they're doing, which, by the way, keeping us clear and dry for the next couple of days, thank goodness, if they stay in place, that's going to direct the hurricane more towards Florida. If the storm moves slowly and these start to move out, there's a slight chance that the hurricane could take a different turn, come a little northward, and that's why I want people on the Carolina coast to have a hurricane plan in place should that happen. So many different scenarios. It's just too early to tell right now because, again, you can see the storm right down there. So radar doesn't look bad at all. Nothing but sunshine out there today. Temperature-wise, we're in the 70s and 80s, so we're in great shape. But as we look ahead, look at this. The International Jazz and Blues Festival is Saturday, y'all. It's going to be so fun. We're going to be around 86 degrees and going to be really pretty out there for it. On Labor Day, 84 for your Labor Day holiday. Going to be nice for that as well. So over the next 3 days, we stay consistently in the 80s with very small chances of rain and lows in the 60s.